guys. Today I have a surprise for you. Oh yeah, I'm going on a Houston trip. Oh, did you see that?
No, you didn't see it.
Amy, say hi. Say hi. Anna, say hi. And this is my puppy, your brand new puppy that we got yesterday.
Our puppy.
Huh?
Our puppy.
No, it's all of ours. Anna, they were kidding. Anna said that it was her puppy, but it's actually all of our puppies. He's a boy. He's a male. He's not trained yet. He's a blue color. Look at him. Hey. So this is what it looks like. Oh, my grandma. My grandma. This is Hannah. This is my dog.
My dog.
Well, all of our doggies. That's Amy, my mommy, Daddy. We're looking out the window. Look at the sky. Whoa, what is that? What? That's so cool. Oh, the car's gonna watch it. Well, I guess that you can see. Oh, look at the car. Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Ready? When are we gonna be in Houston? Doggy. Chico. Chico. His name is Chico. I call him Mr. Cutie Face. No, I'm just kidding. I call him Mr. Cutie. I do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give away. We'll get the first snowflake. Just saying, it's my snowflake. Oh, actually, it's the doggy snowflake. I wish I had a photo. Hey, pretty. What? Look at the other cars. The eye cars. Mommy, are we on this in Houston?
Shush, Isabella.
Yay. Doggy begging. Valley Ranch. Isn't it pretty? Oh, look. Oh, there's a sign. Wait, oh yeah, right there. So that's it for today. Bye, guys. Hey, Chico, say bye. He doesn't want to say goodbye. He's tired. Poor puppy.